What if I told you the world's biggest tech brand's name was born by mistake? Yes, Google. The world's biggest tech giant owes its name to a spelling mistake.
Uh-oh.
Welcome to What's in a Name, the show where we dig into the strange, funny, and sometimes downright bizarre stories behind the names you see, use, and hear every single day. I'm Priyanka, and today we are talking about how a single spelling error gave the internet its favorite word, Google. Back in 1996, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two Stanford PhD students, were working on a search engine project. At first, they called it BackRub. Yes, BackRub, because it checked backlinks to ranked websites. Not exactly the most glamorous name for a future trillion-dollar empire, right? They quickly realized they needed something better, something that screamed, "We organize the world's infinite information." Their inspiration? A geeky mathematical term, Google. Google means 10 to the power of 100, basically the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. It's huge, almost infinite, the perfect metaphor for the endless sprawl of the internet. And the twist. One day, Larry and Sergey's friend Sean was helping them check if the domain was available. Instead of typing google.com, he accidentally typed google.com. Guess what? It was free. And just like that, the typo stuck. The rest is billion-dollar typo history. Now think for a moment. Imagine if Sean hadn't typoed. Today, we would be saying he just Googled it. Not quite as catchy, right? Or worse, what if they would have stuck with BackRub? Yes, the world almost searched the internet using BackRub.com. Can you picture yourself saying, "Hang on, let me backrub that real quick"? Here's what I love about names. They're accidents, experiments, and sometimes pure chaos, and yet they stick. Google didn't just stick, it became a verb, to Google. That's the holy grail of branding. When your brand name replaces the dictionary word, you have officially hacked language. In 2006, when Merriam-Webster officially added Google as a verb meaning to search for something online, the company actually panicked. They worried, what if Google became too generic? Because brands like Escalator and Thermos did lose their trademarks by becoming everyday words. So, Google ran campaigns asking people to say search with Google instead of just Google it. It didn't work. You all still say Google it. So, the name of one of the world's most powerful internet companies was actually a typo. And maybe there is a lesson here. Sometimes mistakes make history. Maybe the typo in your WhatsApp group today is tomorrow's billion-dollar startup. So that's it for today's What's in a Name. If you enjoyed this little name hunt, hit subscribe, follow, or whatever button your platform throws at you. And tell me in the comments what's the weirdest name you have ever come across. Because who knows, maybe I'll dig into it next. Thanks for listening. I'm Priyanka, and I'll catch you next time with another name, another story, and maybe another typo.